Alright guys, to render this out without a background, we simply need to create a level sequence. And within that level sequence, we're going to drop everything that is our background. In my case, it's these two things. Let's drop them right here. And in the details panel, we're going to search for actor. And we're going to choose actor hidden in game. Let's put some keyframes on here, make sure that it's not visible. And we also need our camera within our level sequencer. And because our background is missing, just make sure that you have something like a plane or something so you still get indirect lighting. Otherwise, it would be too dark, right? And now we can already render this one out. We're going to the movie render queue. I'm going to select our level sequence, and instead of a JPG, we're going to use a PNG. And we need to activate this setting right here. So let's tick this, and now we can actually render it out. All right, within our editing software, we can now see that if I drop it within here, there is no background, and we can change the background however we want to change it. And you can do this for videos, for still images, whatever you want. So hopefully this helped you guys.